What's going on, guys? My name is Amar, and I'm your content counselor for the day, and I'm going to teach you about not overthinking videos. Literally, it's really this simple. So we're going to get into it without further ado. This is coming from a fellow overthinker, by the way, so you don't think about it too much. All right, cool. All right, so first things first, man. I think YouTube right now is really at its prime peak. This is the best time to create videos. You know what I mean? Like literally, people are blowing up every day from videos without any edits. So I think right now, YouTube is it's the best time for you to get in. So if you're concerned about getting in or you're concerned about continuing, follow along with me. So let's get to the first point. So the first point is simple, man. It's finding the title. Like, how do you come up with concepts consistently? I think for a lot of times we get burnt out either by trying to come up with concepts or running out of concepts or feeling like, we have to do too much for, for the process. And this is how I simplify it. So the first thing I do is I open up my, AI handy dandy tools. It could be Claude, it could be Chat GPT, any of those, and literally just put in ideas that you have. Like, hey, I want to make a video about this. What should I title it? Or I'm thinking about something like this. What kind of concept should I come up with? And Chat GPT literally spits out video ideas for you. Like, that's what I do every day. And if I don't like the video ideas they spit out or Claude spits out, I ask them to do it again and again and again and again until I get a video idea that I think I want to talk about or use. You know what I'm saying? So that's the first thing. The second part of that is thumbnail. So how do you get a thumbnail? So a lot of times, I used to not want to make YouTube videos for a very simple reason, and I hated thumbnails. That was literally what it is. I didn't know how to make them. I wasn't good at them. Still not good at them. But you know why I don't have to be good at them? Because of our AI handy dandy tool. Exactly. Claude, ChatGPT, all of those. All you have to do is take a picture or a thumbnail, which ChatGPT can provide you. So if I do a topic, ChatGPT can then say, hey, okay, like this video, for example, stop overthinking your content. This came from chat. What was my thumbnail? Whatever my thumbnail is going to be also came from chat. And they can tell you, hey, smile like this, say this, do this in your thumbnail. Or what I also like to do is when I'm done with my video, I just take a screenshot and then I just put it in the chat, say, hey, make me a thumbnail, 16:9 aspect ratio for YouTube, titled this. And that is what they do. See, you're already halfway in the game. The third part, just as simple as the first two parts, it's recording. It might be a little harder, but you record the content that you want. If you want something less edited like this, you can do this. If you want something a little more edited, you don't have to be perfect. Like, you literally don't have to be perfect. A lot of people get hung up on editing. I used to get hung up on editing. That is why I don't edit anymore. I don't. Like, I just don't edit like that. And if you do, here's some keys that I would say. I'm still gonna make a video about how to edit. I just haven't had time to do it. So, but here's some tips. So one thing that I would do is I have CapCut. CapCut is very simple. I feel like that's the easiest to use. If you want to be more, professional, you have like Adobe Premiere and all these other, apps. But I use CapCut. So you would just go in if you're doing one take videos, or if you're not and you're doing vlog styles, you would just go in, take your clips, and then you'll put them together in order of sequence. And then all I would do is if you want to add transitions in there. Or if you want to add like words on the screen, do that. And if you want to add music, you can get like instrumentals from YouTube or something. Like, I wouldn't do too much on it. Like, do what you can. Like, if literally, listen to me. If you know that is not your strong suit, do not focus on it at this point in time. Like, the goal is for you to get your videos out. It is not for them to be great. You do not have to be perfect. Like, literally, look at the videos on the internet right now. These are not perfect people. People make videos of them getting out of bed. People make videos of them sitting in the car. People make videos of them, standing upside down doing handstands. Like, literally, they make videos of anything. Like, people have videos of them having manic episodes, and you know what I'm saying? Like, literally anything. The thing is really about you getting confident in front of the camera and being able to talk to them. And the only way that you can do that is through reps. So it's like, I literally don't want you to overthink this thing. It really is so simple. This is why I'm trying to hold your hand through this, because I'm a person that I overthink everything until you really, you know what? You want to know what it is? I'm going to tell you what the truth is. The truth is to just stop caring. Like, stop giving a F. Like, just stop giving. You know what? I'm gonna say the word. Okay, stop giving a fuck. Stop. Just stop. And the reason why I say that is because of the simple fact that people don't really care, and that's what makes it beautiful. Like, They don't care about the chip on your dresser. They don't care that your hair is messed up. They want to see that because it makes you, here's like a light bulb moment. It makes you human. And people want to see your human experience. Like that's what they want to see on the internet now. So give it to them. And I know it can be scary sometimes, but once you start making videos, like I'm 200 plus videos in, I don't really care as much anymore because I'm trying to make the video and then go enjoy my day. You know what I mean? So this is how you can make videos. Literally title, thumbnail, record, post. Don't think about the post too much. Don't think about hashtags too much. If you want to do like some tags, cool, but don't think about it too much because you're worried so much about the first video or that one video and not the culmination of videos. And guess what? Here's another no-brainer. If it's not good and nobody sees it, it doesn't matter anyways. Oh my gosh. Isn't that a light bulb moment? That's amazing, right? If people see it and they don't like it, it doesn't matter. If people don't see it, if you got 0 views, it doesn't matter. And then guess what you can do? You could do the process again next time and get better at it. It's that simple. I know it sounds like it's a lot more than what it is, but it really is that simple. Like, and I'm gonna post this video probably as is. I might cut a couple pieces out because I can. It's my YouTube, whatever. But that's what it's gonna be. So I hope this is helpful. If you want more content like this, like, comment, and subscribe. Caffeine got me going today. I'm sorry, guys. But yeah, till the next time, peace.